WCBS-FM, New York.
Blessed is the rain that falls on me, as far as that girl can see. The earth that I walk upon is heavenly. Blessed is the rain that clings to her. I know what it means to her. In the eyes of that girl, I'm everything to her. But what happens when the statue or the pedestal comes tumbling to the ground? I don't wanna be around to see the sorrow on her face when she thinks I let her down. Then what happens when she finds the world is real and not a fairy fantasy? That I'm a man who lives in dreams and makes mistakes, not a Superman she dreams. Blessed is the strength she finds in me, and the weakness you never see. I'll go before the image for the part, and blessed is the way I'll always stay her heart. Oh, blessed is the way I'll always stay her
All right, there you have a good start to my group here, Mixed Nuts. And gentlemen, welcome. Welcome back to the Doo-Wop Shop.
How you doing, Don?
Thank you, Don.
Thank you, Don.
Good to have you here. Why don't you introduce yourselves? There's 5 gentlemen I see here, and tell me who you are and, what position you play in the band, vocally or, with an instrument or what have you.
I'm Walter Lippitz, and I play bass.
Al Belfiore, drums and vocals.
Tony DiOrio, keyboards and vocals.
Vic Sabb, lead guitar, lead vocals, background vocals.
Tony Esposito, lead singer.
Okay. Now tell us a little bit about Mixed Nuts. How long has it been since you were here? You were here quite a few years ago, right?
I think we were here about a year and a half ago, Don.
No, I think it's longer than that.
Longer than that? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Time flies when you're having
I
fun.
don't know.
Oh, yeah. I think
okay.
it was. But I think that's when I got this, right? This CD? Angels on the Night, or was that even further back?
No. That was the last time we were here.
Mm-hmm. Well, I think it's longer than just last year. It was...
Well, then somewhere we missed a year in between.
Yeah, right. A couple of years. Anyway, what's been happening with Mixed Nuts since we last saw you here in the Doo-Wop Shop?
Oh, well, as usual, we're very busy working and, just trying to keep the band together and going and recording and just getting everything together.
Now, keeping the band together, how tough has that been?
It's not an easy job.